When I walked into my new master bath, I felt like I was walking into a 5-star resort hotel. My name is Randy and we live in Sacramento, California. I chose to go with VL Tile. We just felt really comfortable with our first interactions, and we wanted to go with a more custom look. We had 3 bathroom full remodels. We decided to remodel our bathrooms because they were really just outdated. The guest bathroom, that was the original tile. It was cracking. The shower had no light in it. It was like a cave. The kids' bathroom, both sinks were kind of cracked and everything was kind of falling apart because it was 25 years old. I just wanted to run away and not even clean it. The other contractor we spoke with told us 6 to 8 weeks for 3 bathrooms, and Vitali got our bathrooms plus 2 extra projects done in 5 weeks. So the timing was great. They were always on time, and they also made an effort a few times to stay and finish things that needed to be finished that day, which we appreciated. Vitali was very upfront with the pricing, and he stuck through that till the very end. Even though we did have a couple things that came up, the price never wavered, and that allowed us to be even more confident in our choices for the extras that we bought to make it happen. When I walked into my new master bath, I felt like I was walking into a 5-star resort hotel. I love just the wow factor, especially of the master bathroom difference. I haven't got to use the bathtub yet, but that's what I'm most excited about. Not only would I recommend VL Tile, but I already have.